Previously on Driving Foreigns. After one simple diagnostic, my local Mercedes dealer told me I would need a new engine. But I didn't believe that to be true, and I knew with some determination and some persistence I could figure it out. And now I'm just a few steps away from starting my car again. We're back with another video. Appreciate you guys who have been watching the Mercedes restoration rebuild, and we are gonna get this car back on the road. So some new parts have come in, and by the end of this video we are gonna get her running again, so stay tuned. But let's take a look what we've got first. So this is a crucial tool, which is the camshaft timing kit. So this is what's gonna keep the camshaft in place to make sure that we get it in time. And right now it's currently at OT, but they look a little bit out, so I'm gonna have a look at that today, because we're gonna take the adjusters off hopefully. I decided to get my mechanic mindset in order, and I figured, okay, at this stage of the rebuild or restoration, resurrection, I figured I'm not going to spend thousands of dollars on parts and then some issue happens. So what I've got here is a timing chain kit. As you can see, I've got chain, new tension guides. We've also got seals, rocker cover, and timing chain cover, seal, and then we have more chain. We also got more the rivet tool that's needed. We've also got a new tensioner, which is good, nice. And in here we should have the cam adjusters. Man, these are very, very precious. You don't know how good it feels to hold these in your hand. New teeth. As you can see, that's one. Very precious cargo. And then we have the other one for the inlet, which is nicely lubricated. We like that.
Pause.
And this mold is from 2017. Okay, so I learned something as I was speaking to a guy on eBay, that the date that's stamped on the adjuster is just from the mold. It's not when the piece was actually made. Well, it is when it was made, but it's not from 2017, if that makes any sense. So that's just the mold date. So we got two new cam adjusters, and these should be good, to be honest. Of course, for this car I'm doing all Mercedes OEM. However, to get this rebuilt or get this engine started, I'm going to use these parts. So the tension guides I'm not actually going to be putting on, but we've got them. We've got the chain, we've got all the pieces. So the next thing, I want to get this cam adjuster in OT, and that's what we're gonna do now. I put my art on the poster, mic in the holster. I'll seat jet into the island in October, handling my business like a grown-up. Downtime, jet skis, see me doing donuts. Family on vacay, carrot no coronas. Okay guys, big moment here, because I've got my timing tool on the camshafts, and as you can see here, if I just bend over,
pause,
see those little marks just on the camshaft? They are now top dead center. So now I've got to make sure that that's locked in with these bolts, and as you can see here, we are at top dead center. So now the timing chain is back in time, and you can even see here with the old adjusters that they are at top dead center. So I'm happy with that. This would mean the engine would start.
When eating mangoes just as good as gold dust. This my culture, this come from pure focus. First generation mogul, I make sure I broke roadblocks. Life sometimes get the best of me. The chef's recipe, the best dish, and God just keeps blessing me. Dead presidents in the times I need it. Stay believing every day, prayers up, it's no secret.
And this is where I knew I had messed up. Snapped again, bro. Another one snapped. Not much I could do with that. So there's some good news and some bad news. So the good news is I've got the cam adjusters off, so we're making progress. The bad news is I cannot reuse the solenoid valve because they are both snapped on both cams. So I found some other parts for these, which now I'm gonna definitely have to order, but I was trying to see if I actually needed them, which I don't think I do, to get it started, because that just goes in there. But I believe it does something, so I wouldn't really want to start the car without everything being in it. Now these must do something, but unfortunately they're old and they are both snapped. But looks like it's about to rain as well, so we've got both cam adjusters out and we're making progress. So this tool was a really good buy, because now I can do timing chain jobs on any M271 engine. And what do you think? Should I make this into a necklace? It's a bit heavy, to be honest, but yeah, it's definitely heavy. Could make the actual top of the adjuster, but hey, that's another job for another day. But we've got the adjusters out, so the new ones can go in. But because I've broken them, now I definitely cannot go further with this build. So tune into the next video and let's see if we can get this started again. Thanks for watching. Appreciate the support. See you next time. Peace.